Hi,
Sabi niya sa
listen to
akin,
your mommy.
I want
Look at you.
makeup
Oh my
kasi.
God.
You
Nakaganong
think
pa
you're
siya.
beautiful? No, you're ugly.
Yuck, you're ugly according to mommy. Oh no, what happened to your face? Because of Apink.
Here.
Who did that?
No.
But Apink was here. It was only you. You're lying. Oh no, what are you doing? Are you a worm? Are you dancing like a worm? Oh, what did you do?
Sabi niya pa sa pagbaba.
Oh my God.
Papa,
Oh,
I want
Papa, I want to wash my face.
you wanna wash your
Face.
face? Okay, you tell your mommy.
Don't wash your face.
Mag-makeup ka lang ulit eh.
Go ahead.
Ugly na.
Go downstairs. Come on, with Apink. And wash your face.
Don't wash your face.
Mm.
No. Don't wash your face. It's okay.
Hey, how's my makeup? Is it broken na?
You want to erase your face?
My makeup?
You wish to erase your makeup?
Oh my gosh.
Oh my God. Where's your
Break
makeup?
my makeup?
It's a toothbrush, Tinay.
You break my makeup?
I got
Hindi,
the one.
you break my
You got a
makeup.
wound? Very good.
Why you break my makeup? You break my makeup eh.
What happened?
You want me to put this to you? Oh. You want?
Oh, contact lens.
You want?
Documents
Yeah. For your eyes.
by my eyes.
Yeah. Come on. Get the contact lens from Apink's eyes.
Oh.
Oh.
Want me to put it too?
That's Apink.
You're bad eh.
Oh no.
I don't like it.
You like it?
No, no, no.
Oh, look at Apink's eyes.
You said you want makeup. It's a makeup.
You're ugly.
I don't
Hello, you're ugly raw, sabi ni mommy, oh.
You're
No,
ugly.
don't
I
pull
don't
my
like it.
hair.
Oh, mommy, are you inggit?
No.
Oh!
Let's go play again.
No.
Oh, come on, Tinay. You wash your face na. Go downstairs. Come on, Pink. Samahan mo yan. Hurry up, hurry up! And change your makeup.